Hi, I'm Brandis Davis with the City of San Antonio's Human Resources Department, and this is Job of the Week. Today we're at the Northeast Service Center, also known as the Tool Yard, and I'm here with my friend Roland. Hi, Roland.
How you doing, ma'am? I'm Roland Mata with the Street Operations.
Great. And Roland's here with us today to talk about a job. What job are we talking about today, Roland?
We're talking about two positions. We actually have two positions, two TCI operations supervisors that we're interested in hiring good people, personnel.
Great. So you're looking to bring on two people to join your team?
Yes, we actually have two positions. One has to do with the pothole programs and the base and payment program.
So tell us a little bit about this opportunity.
The pothole program, one of the positions is the pothole program. The pothole program, like I mentioned again, deals with a lot of situations. That individual will have to be multitasking, be ready for at any point in time. Because of the situations that we have, sometimes it may go critical or it may go just regular duty. But we do have an opportunity. This individual is going to be doing what we call an on-call duty. It happens twice a year where the individual is on duty as an administrative officer who is going to be responding for any kind of emergencies during off their hours. Now, during inclement weather, all supervisors are on deck. They have to be ready because of it could be barricading or it could be an ice event that supervisor, almost every supervisor is enrolled in that situation.
Wow, okay, so this supervisor will be overseeing a team and participating when there are inclement weather situations, and just that's in addition to the regular day-to-day.
Regular to day-to-day. They
Wow.
also have to be ready for any kind of situations that may occur. We've had situations where we have to quickly mobilize because it could be a train wreck or it could be something to that effect. So we're going to be moving around. It depends on the emergency, depends on what SCPD is calling for assistance or the fire department.
Or the fire department.
So it just depends. It could be a brush fire. It could be something so simple as picking up oil on the street because somebody had an accident. That we have to sand down and then clean up afterwards. So it just depends what the situation may be.
Oh my goodness, so it sounds like the person in this position really needs to not only know their stuff, but also be very flexible and adaptable.
Yes, this person does have to be flexible. He has to be a person who has high integrity, who has the initiative to multitask, like I mentioned again. He also has to be business oriented. What by that means, I mean, he has to have some administrative roles. Some of the duties that he's going to be doing is coming back once the project is complete or the situation is recapped to make sure that all the paperwork is turned in, make sure that it's all managed right, and at the same time, try to see where we can improve.
Well, it sounds like there's a lot going on with this position, but it sounds like a great opportunity for the right leader.
It's a great opportunity.
In addition to what Roland said, the ideal candidate for this position should also have a high school diploma or a GED, 3 years of experience as a crew lead or supervisor in field construction and maintenance, and a Class B driver's license. To share with our viewers about this position?
We're actually looking just for people who are just motivated, who take a lot of integrity in what they do and professionalism, but we're also looking for people who have a lot of strong teamwork attitude.
If you're interested in applying for this position, one of these two positions, then I do encourage you to go onto our website at www.sanantonio.gov/careers to apply. Also, if you like this video, then I do encourage you to click that thumbs up button, comment down below, or subscribe. See you next week.